This footage you're watching right now is not from a DSLR. It's not from a mirrorless camera. It's from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this might be the best smartphone camera ever made. And no, this isn't marketing hype. Let's test it. Every year, Apple says the camera's better. But this year, something actually changed. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just sharper, it's smarter. Apple focused on 3 things Americans actually care about: photos, video, and low-light performance. Let's start with photos. In daylight, photos look incredibly natural, not overprocessed, not fake HDR, just clean colors and real skin tones. Portrait mode is where things get serious. The edge detection is so accurate that hair, glasses, and even shadows are separated almost perfectly. This is the first iPhone where portraits actually look professional. Now let's talk about night photos, because this is where most phones fail. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple finally fixed 2 things: motion blur and artificial brightness. Photos stay sharp, faces don't smear, and shadows keep detail. You don't need a tripod. You don't need perfect lighting. You just point and shoot. If you shoot video, this might be the biggest upgrade. Stabilization feels almost gimbal level. Focus tracking stays locked even when subjects move fast. Colors look cinematic straight out of the camera, which means less editing and more creating. This phone is built for YouTube, Instagram, and short-form creators. If you're someone who creates content, travels, shoots family moments, or just wants the best camera in your pocket, the iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't replace professional cameras, but it replaces the need to carry one. So the real question isn't how good this camera is. The question is, do you still need a camera at all? Subscribe for real camera tests, no hype, just results.